up about the Madrids and the stars are aligning and we have a chance and we're not going to get panned. When you've seen us get panned, by Everton, West Ham,
I didn't say that, and that's a misconception. I didn't say we're not going to get panned. I said we can go there. I mean, having this feeling that we can have one over them. I mean, I'm not just going to go and open up at the Bernabeu. No. And you know what? Yeah, Real Madrid isn't a team that's going to defend. They're going to come out. They're going to come out. We're going to exploit spaces. At least let's try. Let's try. They're not going to sit back.
They can do both.
Where Arsenal have a problem.
When they played Man City,
I've watched the games that we've lost. I've watched the games that we've lost. Yeah. This season, it is games that are tightly knit. Any bit of physicality, Arsenal hate it. Odegaard hate it. But when you do give him opportunities,
so now you're putting him up against Jude Bellingham and Camavinga and Tchouaméni. What's Odegaard going to do then?
But again, they're not going to sit back. They're going to open up, and that's what I'm expecting. I want to see a Real Madrid team that will come at us. I want to see it real bad.
And you think
I'm ready for the loss. I'm ready to take the loss. But I want to see a Real Madrid that will come up, open up, and play us man to man. I want to see it. And let's see if we can actually release the handbrake, because the bigger problem we have is with this useless manager. Yeah, it is so stuck up with his tactics. But with that game yesterday, you could just see when he releases that handbrake just a little bit, and we see that freedom.
He didn't release the handbrake.
Are you sure, Lee? Are you sure, Lee?
He did not.
Are you sure, Lee? I mean, I saw Ricardo Calafiori bumping forward. He's got the goal on the right-hand side.
What was the score at that point?
We were winning 6-1,
around maybe 5-1 or something.
Yeah, 5-1 or something like that.
Okay, so that's why he's bombing forward. If it's 0-0 away at Real Madrid, mate, he ain't bombing forward, is he?
But Timber was bumping forward.
Bro.
Lewis Kelly was bumping forward even before that time.
Bro, we are playing PSV.
PSV came at us. They attacked us.
No problem.
They didn't sit back.
For this is, Tony, you're invited back on the channel after the Real Madrid. When we get Real Madrid, after Real Madrid, and we can talk about this then, because then you'll get what we're talking about. Because you're trying to compare what's going on with PSV as to that's what's going to happen against Real Madrid. You even said, I told you.
I never said that. I said we can go and have a fighting chance. That's all I've said.
No, we can't.
I've not been up my chest and say with confidence that we're going to smack up Real Madrid. I would never say that.
What's your prediction for the game? What's your prediction, in your opinion?
Depend on who we get.
Okay, good. It's gonna be 2 legs.
Which one? Over 2 legs, which one? What, for either one, Atleti or Real, if we get either, what's your score prediction over the 2 legs?
Okay, I'm expecting a Real Madrid. I'm not sleeping on Atleti, but let's just say a Real Madrid. You know what, yet Lee? I would take a 1-0 loss at the Bernabeu. And then when we come to the Emirates, I just hope for a 2-1 win. How about that? It could happen.
So that's a 2-2. Then what?
Then we'll slug it out. No, but again, I wasn't saying that we're gonna win. That's what I'm saying. But at least go there and have a fight. Lee, even you, I mean, I know you for something. Your standards, that's for sure. I know that. Should we just go there and have a defeatist mentality? Is that what you want?
No.
We are fans. We're not the players, bro. Like, at the end of the day, just because we have high standards doesn't mean that we can't see the reality. And the reality is everything that you've agreed with, Tony. You know this squad ain't good enough. There's a reason why you want the manager.
But we had that reality against PSV.
Why you keep saying, I hope we turn up instead of we will. There's a reason for that. So you've seen the reality of this manager, which is why you want him out. You've seen the reality about his squad, which is why you keep saying, I have a feeling. Your feeling isn't based on the facts, though. The facts is we've been all over the place. The facts is we've been dropping points against teams we should be beating. The facts is every time we're under pressure, we don't actually deliver. So it's all good having a feeling, and maybe I hope your feeling is right. Yeah? And your feeling was right against PSV. Fair enough. Your feeling was right. I thought we were going to lose. You thought we was going to win. We won. Yeah.
Oi, what a fucking save. Oh my days. Oh my days. How the fuck Barca just missed is mad. 3 mad saves from that keeper on the spin.
Oh my.
Wow. Just saw it, man.
3 mad saves in a row.
I got to do what big up the man now. Oh, fucking hell. And Dave keeps calling me, man. Piss off, Dave. Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. Let me just watch the game. And
if we play Real Madrid, I will tell you right now, that will be at least 5 over the 2 legs for Real Madrid. At least 5. They'll score at least 5. If we play Atleti, I'd say at least 4.
5.
I don't think you realize how good these teams are.
I mean, if you're talking of that backer team, I would say yes. But that Real Madrid team, I don't think they're invincible this season. I mean, you watch La Liga more than me. They got hard done by Real Betis. They got hard done by Real Betis this. I mean, just under 4 days.
Bro,
just under 4 days ago, they got hard done by Real Betis. They got smashed up by Espanyol this season.
Bro, we lost to West Ham. We lost to West Ham. Tony, listen to what I'm saying. We lost to West Ham. Who cares about Betis? Betis to slap West Ham. Betis to slap Arsenal. Betis are a good team, bro. Anytime we come up against a half-decent team, we're done. Yeah, bro, I swear down, if you think Ancelotti is going to go 100 mile an hour gung-ho, you're crazy. Yeah? But I'll tell you what he will do. He will suck us in to go like that and then counter us and kill us on the break. Because he's a top manager. We see Real Madrid play Man City the season City did the treble. I think it was the season they'd done the, it was the season they'd done the treble. And Vinny Jr., we all watched it, was arguing with Ancelotti. The whistles and the boos in the stadium. We're going to attack, we're going to attack, we're going to attack.
Listen, man, we'll review this again. We'll review this again.
We'll do this again, man. Yeah, we'll do this again. I just want to have a conversation about it. That's all.
This fan base need a humbling, and trust me, they're getting humbled.
Pray for Real Madrid, yeah. Pray for Real Madrid.
But even if we let's assume that we beat one of the Madrids. Yeah, we'll
pray for Madrid, guys.
We'll probably end up getting
Madrid.
Aston Villa and getting knocked out to Unai Emery.
But Villarreal. That's you know what I'm saying. The same comparison when you said Ancelotti at Everton. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's mine. I'll pick up.
Yeah, let's don't act as if Mikel Arteta doesn't even know that his job is at stake in this one. His job is at stake. His job is at stake. I mean, let's don't act as if he's not going to tell the boys, you know what, yeah, you guys have to keep me down here. I need you guys to help me out here. Let's go. At least let me go out with one last hurrah. How about that? Yeah, how about that? And we go and face Real Madrid head on. You know what, yeah, those spaces will open up. The Real Madrid, they're going to open up those spaces. They're not going to defend. They're a big team for a reason. They're going to open up those spaces. And I don't see, you know what, yeah, I don't just think that Real Madrid would just open up and Arsenal won't exploit those spaces in any way. I mean, this is a game of football. I want to see it happen. So now that we're getting towards that quarterfinal berth, let's see what will happen. I refuse to go into that Real Madrid game with a defeatist mentality. We have a shot. Mostly since it's not a team that will defend, they will come out to play. We'll exploit spaces. We can try one or two tricks and see what we can do. Even if we don't win, good. But bow out, at least, I mean, throw the kitchen sink on it. That's all I'm saying. I'm not out here saying, oh, we're going to smash up Real Madrid. I've never said that. And you know what? Yeah, I want to go back to a context because Northside, there was something that was being said on your channel. You're my guy. I mean, you've posted something I've said on Sarkazin TV here. So I don't even have to start texting, hey, my guy, you use me. You're my guy. I take you as my guy. So I don't ever have to explain to you about, hey, why are you using my stuff down here? This is what I'll say to you about that Kai Havertz issue, about the fairness, justice stuff for Kai Havertz, stuff that you guys analyzed on your channel down here. But Northside, Kai Havertz has scored 15 goals this season. All I was just saying on that stream, was that we have a Gabriel Martinelli who hasn't scored even up to 10 goals this season. Most Arsenal fans want him to play week in, week out in this football club. And he's leeching this same football club. But you want him to keep playing and you're slagging off Kai Havertz, who has at least done something. He scored 15 goals. Throw that all away. If that doesn't make sense, no problem. Gabriel Jesus, how many goals has he scored? Kai Havertz have outscored him in both seasons that he's been here. We clap for Gabriel Jesus when it's necessary. We say our Hail Marys when he gets injured, but we slag off Kai Havertz. Is that what we're doing here? Don't get me started on Raheem the Dream Sterling. You can see the stinker. I mean, you saw what Ricardo Calafiori did there, yeah? Ran through the left-hand side, down to the right wing to score a goal where Raheem the Dream Sterling was there in the right-hand side. It's putrid. We have a front line. Okay, do you want to start? Do you want to start up with Trossard, the stinkers he has given us this season? Has he scored near to where Kai Havertz is? So when I'm asking the question, where is the justice? Where is the fairness for Kai Havertz? Bro, I'm speaking out of facts. That's fact. He's outscored all our attackers this season, Bukayo Saka. And of course, Bukayo Saka has always bailed us out season in, season out. So why is the criticism for Kai Havertz so much, and the criticism for someone like Gabriel Martinelli, who's leeching out of this football club, not given the same kind of slack up that's been given to Kai Havertz? That's just what I was saying there. But it's good if people take it out of context